In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into your MYTHDHR account. Now, if this video sounds helpful to you and if you want to also log in successfully, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end, and let's get right into it. Open up your web browser and search for MYTHDHR login. Once you search for it, you just need to enter in the first link, which says self-service, and make sure that it is the website of THDHR. Once you click on it, you can now see this interface. If you scroll down further, you can see a section of current associates, former associates, and associates of LOA. If you are a current associate and currently working for MyTHDHR, you can click on the first link. If you are a former associate, you can click on the second option. Once you click on it, you'll need to now first select your store and type in your store ID. So select the store option, type in your ID, or you can also click on other location. In the second box, you'll need to type in your user ID. So this is the ID that is given to you. And lastly, you'll need to type in the password. Now, in case you don't remember your password, in the previous screen, there was an option called Forgot Password. You can click on this option and follow the steps to easily recover your forgotten password. Once you enter in all these details correctly, you can click on Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your MyTHDHR account. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.